Welcome back to the channel. So, we are here again for night 2. We're going to try and get the motor and tranny out of it tonight. And really that's it in the rear end and the 5-leg conversion in the front. Probably won't get that all done tonight, but we'll be close. Yeah, so just give you guys a walk around here. Smoked. All gone. Even in the back of the truck took heat in the cab. You know, the funny thing is I was gonna go get E85. So thank God I didn't do that, or I would have had 25 gallons of E85 in the bed of the truck. This thing would have been an instant bomb. So, that being said, I'm gonna pause you. We're gonna get to work in here. We are back. Cab is up in the air. Motor and tranny. Pretty good. Junk.
The quick drain.
Yeah, the quick drain. Brian's quick pet talk. So that's it. Now we gotta pull the motor out. Motor and tranny. Gonna pause it. Hey.
And I'm gonna make sure that it feels like home.
Motor and tranny's out.
For everybody that I come in contact
Rear diff is out. Exhaust is out. Cross member's out. So that's pretty much it. We're gonna get the trailer hitch out tomorrow or Saturday and then load it on the trailer off to the junkyard. We'll wrap up later. Productive 2 nights we've had so far.
235 miles northeast of Dutch.
Like you've seen from the video, we got the motor. We lifted a cab. We got the motor and tranny out. We got the rear diff out. We have to leave the front, the 5-leg conversion on it until we get it onto the trailer. And when we get it onto the trailer, then I'll jack it up on the trailer, take the 5-leg conversion out the front, let it down, and then I'm bringing it out to the junkyard, and I'll just chain it to a car or something, and then just drag it off. And we have to get the trailer hitch off because the trailer hitch hangs low, and I'm afraid that it's gonna get hooked up on a cross member. So we just want to be able to slide it right off on the frame rails. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And Saturday, I will be back with another video of us loading it on the trailer and unloading it. I'm gonna see if I can bring my tripod out and I'll set it up and you guys can watch as I drag it off the trailer to its final destination in life. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you Saturday. Night, folks.